So one of the things I wanted to talk about today is squares. And there are a lot of squares out there. At least that's what they call them. If it's not a square, it does you no good. So this is what you're going to pick up at the big box store. This is a 12-inch version of a square, right? But there again, it doesn't have a great value unless it's square. And these rarely are squares. These are carpenter's tools is what I'm showing you. Now, don't get me wrong, carpenters need a square, but their tolerances versus a furniture maker are significantly different. This is the old trusty wooden square, all right? But here's what I want to talk to you about most today, and that is an adjustable square. A good quality adjustable square allows you to do many things, from setting exact lines for aligning dimensions on cuts, to testing your equipment by putting it down flat on a table, registering that up against a blade to make sure that it's square. You can test squares one against the other with a good reference and see that they're true. But that's only true on the outside of this square. It doesn't mean the inside is square. You need to check that as well. My favorite of all of them that I carry around is a small 2.5-inch square. I have a bad habit of leaving this one laying around. This one always goes in my pocket. And here at the school, especially when I'm going from shop to shop, I gotta have it in my hand when I need it. So a small adjustable square allows me to do most of my setups, most of my dimensions, great for doing dovetails, doing joinery, things of that nature. This is the tool to have.